What are these? These are cars. What are these? These are children. What are these? These are houses. What are these? These are puppies. What are these? These are sandwiches. What are these? These are tables. This is a family. Those are cats. What are those? Those are computers. What are these? These are cookies. What are these? These are chairs. What colors are they? Yellow, red, burgundy, black, brown, gray, white, blue, green. What is this? This is a or an. What is that? That is a or an. What is that over there? That over there is an or a. What are these? These are. What are those? Those are. What are those over there? Those over there are. Okay, these we call demonstrative, and we have proximity, demonstrative proximidade, né? Demonstrar proximidade e demonstra distância. Number ou número, então singular ou plural. Singular, demonstrative, quando está perto, this is. Pronomes, ela é comparado com este, esta e isto em português. Plural, plural. These are é quando está perto. Estes ou estas. Quando tem distância, singular, that is, quer dizer que é longe de você. Comparado com português, esse, essa, isso, aquele, aquela, aquilo. Plural. Those are. Esses, essas, aqueles, aquelas.